Based in Oxfordshire, this nursery grows over 400 varieties of plants for UK gardeners that will add beauty and colour to their outdoor space. With their wealth of expertise, we thought we'd ask some common questions that were often asked on bedding plants. When planting your bedding, you should aim for 6 plants per medium-sized container or basket. If any of your plants are a little more vigorous, you won't need as many. To keep your bedding plants looking their best, you can use a liquid feed or slow-release fertiliser. In the height of summer, make sure to water your bedding plants daily too, especially if they are in containers. For the most abundant flowers, pinch out any growth that looks out of place. This will encourage your plants to look more bushy and full. Deadheading is also useful. Simply remove any flowers that are beginning to turn brown. If planting in a container, try an upright begonia. With large flowers and leaves, they're perfect for filling out a pot. Calibrachoas, bidents and petunias are perfect for baskets, where they'll cascade over the sides, forming beautiful movement. When your bedding plugs first arrive, plant them in a 9 or 10 centimetre pot with all-purpose compost. Grow them on for a few weeks before planting out, once you know they'll be safe from frost.